morning, fellow travelers. I hope all is well and welcome to an all-new travel episode. After spending the last couple of weeks exploring the amazing Outaouais region and doing some of the best activities, today we find ourselves in the Laurentians region of Quebec. More specifically though, we are in the Poisson Blanc Regional Park near Notre-Dame-Du-Laus, where we're going to go on a 9-kilometer trek up the Montagnes Fall and get some incredible views of the region. Once we're done that, we're gonna head to the nearby town Notre-Dame-Du-Laus, get some delicious baked goods at a bakery, and after that, go check out a hidden gem in the town of Denholm, Quebec. But first, let's get geared up and let's hit the trail.
Faces feet forever, we march along together. We're working backwards like a cigarette burns. When our kingdoms come, when we just can't run, we face the music and resolve our futures. When we were us, never felt so hopeless. Now I see we were doomed right from the start, and we never stood a chance. Honey, you tear me apart, and I bury deep below this avalanche.
So this trail is composed of 3 different lookout points, one being the summit. We just reached the first one, and this trail so far, I must admit, is really beautiful. Well maintained, well indicated, and the lookout points are pretty great. Unfortunately, because of the snowstorm we're having right now, you can't really see that far, but still, I can only imagine what this place must look like on a nice summer sunny day. And I'm super fortunate to be accompanied by a good friend of mine, but also a fellow content creator, and that is Jonathan behind the YouTube channel Joe Explore, who makes absolutely incredible content when it comes to hiking, outdoor activities, and also equipment. So go check him out. I bet you'll definitely learn something about your region. Now, let's make it to the summit.
We were doomed right from the start.
Well, I gotta climb this big rock here, and I have this nice, very useful, non-frozen rope to help me. Aren't they just so generous here? What could possibly go wrong? And I have the most useful mittens ever. No. Oh, shit. Okay.
You can do it. Go, go.
I'm using this very strong, very certified root to help me hold my body weight. Okay. Thank God we chose this beautiful day to come up here. Thank you, Weather Network, for your super accurate weather predicament with no snow after 10 o'clock. Still very beautiful though. We're almost there, guys. 100 more meters and we're at the summit. After a really beautiful climb, sometimes a little bit risque, but pretty cool, we are now here on the summit of Montagnes-du-Laus. I mean, it's just really beautiful. Unfortunately, there's sort of a snowstorm going on right now, so you can't really see that much, but still the views are pretty beautiful. And by the way, guys, you definitely have to come here during the fall season. I've seen pictures and I can only imagine how beautiful this place must actually be. John, what do you think about this place?
Awesome view.
Yeah, pretty beautiful, eh? Yeah. Now it's time to warm ourselves up, so we're gonna head back down the mountain and head to the town of Notre-Dame-Du-Laus, which is not too far from here, and there's a bakery there. And by the way, guys, I saw their website and I'm so stoked about the baked goods they sell there. So with that, let's head down to the car.
My bearings have me south of home, but I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift we fed away like boats, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years, so familiar and strange at once.
Well guys, after arriving here in Notre-Dame-Du-Laus, we went to the local bakery, which is the boulangerie d'Aou, and you have to stop there if you're in the region. I mean, number one, it's one of the rare bakeries to offer a wood fire oven, which means they all have a special taste, and inside it smells absolutely delicious. The prices are super reasonable. I got a pie and also these pet desserts. Look at the size of this thing. For only $12. If you go to any grocery store, a pie itself is more than $12. Unfortunately, we were supposed to go to Delhome, Quebec and check out a waterfall, but because the days are getting way shorter, we don't have time. But don't worry, I'll be showcasing that waterfall and that park in a future travel episode. I just want to thank Jonathan for having an amazing day today, and also go check out his channel because he makes absolutely fantastic outdoor activities content and showcases all kinds of gear. You'll learn so much about the Outaouais region and some of the great trails we have. With that guys, if you enjoyed today's episode, hit the subscribe button down below for more travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis, and also follow me on Facebook because I produce weekly travel content and keep you updated on my travel adventures. With that, don't forget, safe travels.